Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today I'll tell you how to add another user in Windows 10. Let's dive in. Navigate to Settings. You can get there from the Start menu. Click Accounts. Click Family and Other Users in the left window pane. Click Add a Family Member or Add someone else to this PC. To add a child, click Add a Family Member. Select Add a Child. Enter the child's Microsoft account email address. If they don't have a Microsoft account, you must sign them up for one. Click Confirm. To add another adult user, click Add someone else to this PC. Enter the person's email address and click Next. This address should be tied to the person's Microsoft account. Click Finish. To give a user admin permissions, just click on that user account and press the Change Account Type option. Then change it to Administrator. Click OK. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.